Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia efficiently from beginner to pro. Yeah. If you want to create professional AI videos quickly without wasting time, this guide walks you through the most effective workflow because honestly, efficiency is key when producing multiple videos while keeping quality high. So first, prepare your scripts ahead of time. Having clear, concise text ready to paste into Synthesia saves you from making edits mid-production and speeds up your workflow considerably. Next, choose your AI presenter and customize their voice, appearance, and language. Yeah, picking the right presenter from the start helps maintain consistency across your videos, which is especially important for branding or long-term projects. After that, use templates and backgrounds strategically. Synthesia has built-in templates for business, marketing, education, and social media videos, and reusing these layouts allows you to produce multiple videos faster without sacrificing visual quality. Also, folk add captions, scene transitions, and animations efficiently. Yeah, using these elements in a structured way keeps your videos engaging without spending hours on minor details. And yeah, batch create and preview your videos before final rendering. So, reviewing scenes carefully ensures fewer mistakes, while batch creation helps you scale your production, whether you're making tutorials, ads, or online courses. Finally, experiment with advanced features like multiple languages, AI voices, and reusable assets. Most of the time, following this workflow allows creators to go from beginner to pro quickly, producing high-quality videos efficiently, saving time, and keeping your content polished and professional. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.